Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. Today we have proof that the Rabbit moves under its own power because it's not in the garage. Stay tuned. All right everyone, this is a big episode and I'm so excited to finally bring you this episode where we see the Rabbit out under its own power. I won't be able to do any rolling shots. I don't have any equipment for that right now. But the Rabbit is out of the garage. It got here under its own power. I went to a show today out in Puyallup. I've put about 45, 50 miles on the car today, and it's running great. There's still some things that I got to work on, but for right now, the car runs and drives, starts and stops, does all the things that it's supposed to do as a car and not just garage art. So let's take a look around the car and see all the things that I really spent the past 2 weeks kind of buttoning up and putting in and making work and all that stuff. All right, so you're gonna have to forgive the back of the car because I've got a bunch of stuff in here from going to the show. But look at this. We have a complete interior now in the car. The door panels turned out really nice, although I'm not super happy about the durability of these panels. If you try to take them off more than one time, they break. So that's not my favorite, but the dash is all installed. Seats are installed and look awesome. I had to thread the shaft of the shifter to make the golf ball shift knob work on there. Of course, the back of the interior with all the panels and the wiring tucked up looks really nice in here. And we've got a few surprises. Well, not really surprises, but so I did a lot of work on tucking up the wiring up underneath the dash. Got the gauges installed, and all of them work now except for the oil pressure gauge. I don't have a way to tee that off yet. Got switches for hazards, the rear pop-outs, and the rear fog. And of course, we did a lot of work up underneath here too to tuck all the wiring, or not tuck it, but at least clean it all up, make everything look a lot nicer underneath here. All right, so there you go. It's a real quick overview, but I wanted to give you guys at least a little wrap-up video, kind of show you what I've been working on the past couple of weeks. Doesn't look like a lot until you kind of see where it was in some of the previous videos and see how far it came just in the past couple of weeks to really tie this car together, get it done for the show. I didn't stick around for awards. I didn't enter the award. I just needed that push to get the car done on time, and here it is. So it is way too nice to be standing in one spot out here today. I'm going to hop in the car and take it for another little drive and get out and enjoy some weather while we have beautiful weather like this in the Northwest. Not often, especially before July. So that's all the time I have for today. Until next time, get out there and work on something.